So the question is, what is a healthy position? Well, it's actually pretty simple math. The funny thing about this is it's kind of reverse math, and it's very confusing to people. But the reality is it's pretty easy.
Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? Tonight, a little more SNX action. So, first and foremost, looking at the dashboard, SNX has had an explosive week, going up to over $1.50, settling back down to $1.43. But the reason you tuned into tonight's video was to understand the collateralization and collateralization levels. So what I've done is, this will actually be a pretty short video, is I've made a quick calculator that we can use. So let me head on over to the Minter and see where I am sitting right now. So I'm currently at 717%, 717% collateralization level. My desired is 750%. First and foremost, why do you need to keep the collateralization level at an acceptable rate? It has to be within 1%. That is so that you can claim your weekly SNX awards. So these come in based on you staking and being in a healthy position on your SNX. So the question is, what is a healthy position? Well, it's actually pretty simple math. The funny thing about this is it's kind of reverse math, and it's very confusing to people. But the reality is it's pretty easy. Basically, the first thing you need to understand is to come up with this number. They basically take your total SNX market value divided by your debt. So quite simply, and multiply it by 100. So if I take 75.55 and divide it by 1053, and then I multiply times 100, I get 717%. So as you can see, very simple. Total SNX market value divided by total debt. That's it. The other way that you can calculate it is, it's basically to understand what the desired level is of 750. Okay, you take your total SNX value and you multiply it by 13.33%. And you can see, alright, so let's move to the collateralization calculator. So what I have done is I have built this sweet little simple calculator. And to get your own copy, you simply go File and Download. It's shared as an Excel document. You won't be able to edit the one on Google Drive. And that's about it. So the items in yellow you want to fill in, and then the calculator does all the magic for you. So basically, so we look at our Minter, and let's say we want to get to 750%. Okay. Total staked SNX. I pop the 52.76 into the calculator. I put in the current market price, $1.43. Okay. And what my current debt level is, 1,053. That's rough. Alright, that's it. The calculator does the work for you. So the items are in red, what you're concerned with. So SNX for desired, meaning I want to get to that 750%, so I qualify for rewards. I would need 230 shares of SNX in my wallet at $1.43 in order to achieve the 750. Or conversely, I would need 330 SUSD to get to that 750. So basically, the SUSD calculation is the current market price times the number needed to get to satisfy the 750 So that's it. It's pretty simple. Like I said, to get your level, you just take your total SNX market value divided by your debt. But that does not answer the question of how many SNX does it take to get to a healthy collateralization level. And this calculator does the math for you. After you use it a couple times, you'll be able to kind of calculate what you need to do. You'll either need to get more SNX or you need to pay off some debt. That's it. That's all there is to it. Hope you enjoyed tonight's SNX video, and as always, this is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.